Lid organisers are a great way to utilise the otherwise unused space in the lid of a case. In most protector cases, they are attached by screwing into pre-moulded lid bosses, but in some older protector cases and all storm cases, they are attached using the adhesive backing. If yours needs to be screwed in, first align the holes in the lid organiser with the pre-moulded raised bosses in the case lid. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to carefully screw it in place. If your case does not have the raised bosses, do not attempt to screw your organiser in, as this will void your warranty. If using Velcro adhesive backing for the best attachment, first clean the stacking ribs on the inside of the lid and allow to dry. Next, remove the release film from the Velcro hook material and carefully stick each strip onto the stacking ribs. We recommend waiting 24 hours before using so the adhesive will take full bond strength to the inside of the lid.